Guess whose birthday it is? I cried on every birthday till I turned 18. That year, I promised myself to enjoy every moment like it's my last. I manifested joy, and life's been amazing ever since. 23 already feels so special. Welcome to my birthday vlog. Today's Wednesday or Thursday. Well, I'll be turning 23 on Saturday. I'm super excited. Like, I have been so full of love, so full of gratitude, and I even cried today while thanking God because He has been so good to me. And I know there are like lots of amazing things to come, so I'm super grateful to God, and I'm so grateful to you guys for sticking with me, and thank you for clicking this video to enjoy my birthday with me or with us. You're going to understand why I say us in this video. Hi favorites. Oh my god, it feels like I just faked that right now. I don't know, I'm feeling down. I've not really I ate in the morning and I went to do my nails, so I just got back and I am tired and hungry. The lady wasted so much time, and I think it's currently 7 p.m. I'm tired, so I'm going to go and eat, and I just want to say thank you, Jesus, for seeing me through 22 years. I'm just super excited to venture into the next chapter of my life, and we'll talk more about things I want for the next year. But till then, I'm off to eat. Bye. So while coming back, I got a couple of things. I got plantain, I bought pepper and tatache. I bought some some stuff. Okay, and then the wig I took out. I wanted the lady that weaved my hair to help me do that, but yeah, there was no time anymore. So guess whose birthday it is? With the hit maker. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm on one.
Artistic. This is a milestone. You are really climbing a milestone for this. You're flying on top of the world right now, bro.
Because I'm literally on top of it.
You're literally on top of the world, like.
So favorites, I'm done getting ready. I look so pretty. So this is literally like a Barbie era, but bringing that back. Period. So we're on our way to date night. I'll make sure to carry you guys along. See you later. my favorite. We have the cake and it's black and white. My favorite colors. And pink, because I'm in my pink era. It says happy birthday favor. So my friend on Instagram, Alexis, she sent this to me. She told me we shared the same birthday. So after wishing her happy birthday, she was like, she owes me cake. And I was like, okay, that's nice. And she asked for my delivery details. I sent it to her, and okay, so it was the next day, which is today, and I went outside to pick it up. I saw a very cool, a cake, very cool, and I was like, okay, hi. And he was like, are you payable? I said yes. He gave me a whole cake. I was like, I was speechless, and when I got inside, I was super stunned, because I was like, excuse me, a whole cake from, I wouldn't call her a stranger, but like, you understand the vibe. I was too stunned to speak, and I am so grateful. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. You made my day. I did not see this coming, because I actually thought it was like a slice of cake, Thank you so much. According to her, she said last year I made her birthday, you understand, that I gifted her, and I won't tell you what the gift was, but she said the thing touched her heart so much. And I didn't even remember. The truth is, this year I didn't even remember that, and I am so grateful. I am so happy. Thank you so much. So this place is literally a forest, but like a modernized forest, if you understand what I mean. I'm just walking around for now. I'm looking for a nice spot to take pictures, and after taking pictures I'll just sit down for a while and relax. I really love this. I wish I came on a sunny day, because the weather here is not looking okay, but we'll manage. So guys, I'm going home now. I already booked my ride. I forgot they said the park closes at 6. It's 6:10. I'm heading towards the gate now. I did have a nice time in nature. This place is actually beautiful. I wish I came earlier or when the sun is out, but yeah. Bye. You guys, I'm excited. What's inside the bag? We have polos here. I'm collaborating with a polo brand, and let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. I got a hoodie. I'm literally thinking of a way to style this, but I'm going to figure something out. You through what I have to do today. Today is Monday. I have this book I bought. I bought it from Timo, and I was consistent with it some time back, but I've not been so consistent with writing on it. What I do here, it says daily planner, so I write my daily tasks and tick it when I'm done. So for the week, I have for the week here, and then for today behind. So for the week, I have to edit my videos in CapCut, Waybill, giveaway stuff, film a glow up video. I'm so happy. I'm going to do this tomorrow. I feel so excited whenever I film a glow up video. What next? Crochet. Send brands their drafts. Okay, I need to send some drafts to brands so I get paid. Period. Publish brown crochet tutorial. I will be doing this on 5th. Yeah, so that's for this week. I'm going to add other things when it comes to mine, but the ones for today, these are my tasks for today. I really hope I get it done, because most times when I pick up my phone and I start using my phone, Hi favorites, I am trying my best to talk more in my vlogs. Funny enough, when I go through my vlogs, I actually realize I talk in between my vlogs. But yeah, low key, I don't feel like I do, but then I do. So okay, so I have been saving for some months. I think for let's say for two months to get an iPad, and I will be getting it by this week. I am so happy. I'm super excited. One of my reasons is because I want to edit my videos. Okay, in case you don't know, some of my vlogs, I don't edit them myself because my phone lags a lot and I have a lot of workload. So to be consistent and to show up, yeah, I have to do this. I had to re-strategize because I was not consistent at some point this year. And I sat down, I was like, what's my reason for not being consistent? And then I finalized and I came to the conclusion that it's because of my phone. So since all I had to do was to record videos from different angles, doing different things, and then I send it to a person who helps me edit. Some of them, I edit my tutorials myself, and yeah, some of my videos. So with this, I can be able to do it myself and try more creative stuff. And I think in this same vlog, I'm going to show you the video if it arrives on time. Yeah, so I think I'm done with the chit chat for now. Do I have any other things here? No. Subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, subscribe. I love you. So guys, I'm going on an ice cream date with my bae, and yep, I brought out some outfits, so I'm going to try them. Honestly, this one I'm putting on is so cute. Like, I don't even know, because I want something really feminine and cute. I want something cute. Okay, that's one of the themes of what I want to wear today. And then a canvas. What do you think? This is nice. I don't know why this combo is beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful, and it matches my hair clip because it has green and white. Okay, so this is what she fades away. favorite. So I'm back from the ice cream date or whatever date that is. It was fun. As of the waffles and everything there, yeah, it was basically nice, but I'm never getting it again. We are never getting it again according to what we agreed on. So I went to deliver some things at the park and we are back. These were part of the things I picked up from the park. This has been in the park for like 2 weeks. I've not even gone, I think 2 to 3 weeks. I ordered scarf from my girl Jessie. I'm going to leave her name on the screen, okay? So yeah, I've gotten scarves from her before. I have like I have black, brown, and then these 2 shades of pink. They are so cute. I can't wait to try them. And I received a package. I am so happy for this one. This is a dress, and we're going to be trying. I may not try it on now, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It's from, I don't know if it's Janor or Janor or Janor. I'm not sure how to pronounce it well. Hey favorites. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we are going to be unboxing an item. Yeah, let me show you what's inside this box. It's somebody's hard-earned money. Yeah, let's get into it. Let me get my scissors. So I was invited to an event yesterday at night. So I have today, like the event is today. That's what I mean. My hair, I don't know what to do. And then I'm about to pick between these 2, then iron the one I want to go with. But right now I'm doing a voiceover for some videos I edited. And I have only 2 hours.